Hey guys, Matt here. So the stock market did not have a good day today. Not a good day at all. I mean, it pretty much started actually yesterday when the Fed once again crashed the party by saying that, and this is really bad for, I guess short term, if you can count this year as short term. I mean, basically, it's going to keep rates high for some time ahead, at least throughout 2023. That's the gist of it. And then today, we got some, I guess, really good news as far as the economy itself, but really, really poor news for stock market investors. Basically, we got some very strong labor market data. The U.S. hired a lot more people than expected, which is good. And it also showed, lower filings for unemployment insurance, which is, like I said, really, really good as far as the overall economy. But it also means that the Fed can keep interest rates high throughout the year, or at least for the time being. And stocks are not responding kindly. We got Hyliion hitting, once again, its all-time low. Now, I got a positive message at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, Hyliion did not have a good day at all. We've got Tesla going down. It's not quite as 52-week low, but I think it hit that earlier this week. Walgreens, my goodness. Walgreens had earnings today, and the short version is that it beat. However, as far as the non-adjusted earnings, they had to pay out a huge opioid settlement, in which case it drove the bottom line, the net income, way down, and no one liked that. CVS is not doing well. It's approaching its 52-week low. Walmart, by the month, it just keeps on, it just keeps falling off a cliff. We, of course, got good old Google, which is about to hit its 52-week low again. It's not quite there yet, but let's be honest, it's going to get there. So why am I bringing all this up? Well, I'm trying to hammer something home here. The stocks, in case you haven't noticed, stocks have been down for a couple of years. Like the NASDAQ is well into crash mode. Dow is, pretty low. The S&P 500 is down 20% more than that now. And they're talking about a recession that hasn't even started yet. We're talking about the Fed, which are going to keep the rates high, at least for this whole year. So we potentially have a whole year of this. The same thing we went through in 2022. Now, look, I'll be very happy to be surprised if we get some good news down the road. But so far, I am expecting, I am preparing for a whole nother year of this crap. So where is the good news? Stocks are down so much. All the indices are down hard. And if any of these, I guess, 2023 predictions are to be believed, there's a lot more that they could be falling. And what I'm trying to get at, now this doesn't work for every company, but my thought in this is that unless your company, the company that you believe in, that you think is going to go out of business, you think is going to get hurt by the recession to the point of insolvency, for example, Bed Bath and Beyond, that. They just announced today that they could go bankrupt, and maybe AMC, they're not looking too good either. But if the stock that you're into is you think is going to survive the recession and get to the other side, there's a great chance that eventually, when the Fed stops the rate hikes and starts lowering them, whether it be this year or next year, the market's going to shoot back up. And all of your positions that survived, they're going to shoot back up. That's just a given. You will have a lot of Grifter Slayer YouTube channels out there talking about the stock you love. Now, I'm not invested in Hyliion, as you know, and I'm not bullish on Hyliion, but I'm using this to make a point right here. All your stocks are down. Everything is down so hard. And I'm not saying that these Grifting Slayer channels are right or wrong when they talk about, no, this stock sucks. It's down, it's down 20%. It's down 30%. It's down more than that. I'm not saying they're right or wrong. What I am saying as them talking trash about your favorite stocks, the shots they're taking are very easy shots to take. They're not taking those shots when the market is bullish, are they? They're taking shots when everything is down hard. And so what I'm saying is that if you believe in Hyliion, if you think Hyliion is going to survive this recession, if you think that it's going to thrive after this recession, and you like the stock, then hey, stay in. I'm not saying if Hyliion will or not. I have no idea. But I'm just saying, if you believe that Hyliion or, Tesla or Walgreens is going to survive this recession and thrive, then hey, you keep on keeping on. So yeah, I have no idea when this is going to end. Neither do the people in Yahoo Finance, neither does CNBC, neither do stock YouTubers, neither do the Grifter Slayer channels. Like, no one knows when this is going to end. So the only thing I'm going to do is keep putting money into the stocks I love and weather this out, whether this be 2023, 2024, 2028. At some point, all this is going to end. And as long as my stocks survive and I keep putting money into it, like, I'm going to come out rich in the end. But anyways, take care, have a great day, and eat your vegetables.